Hi friends, welcome to Vinayak's channel on stock market educations from Arthika Unnati. So today I'm going to show you the process of creating a portfolio from how do we can use the IN.investing, which is one of the strong and a powerful internet portal available free of cost. So first you need to just open into this one, open the browser. Okay. So from here we'll go investing, and we'll also open in NSC. So this is the where investing.com is one of the worldwide used tools where you can get all the market information for across all the countries, all the tools for the investment tools and technical tools, and the latest news available on the stock markets. Okay, from the right from the latest most popular coronavirus, forex, commodity and futures, stock market, economic indicators, news, cryptocurrency, economic, political, global, and general. Okay, you can also view based on the parameters listed up here. So how do we do this? Okay, how do we create a portfolio? So this is the portfolio where you can create a portfolios. Okay, to watch a stocks, and you can just put an additional here, or else you can put it as so sample, or you would name it as a Nifty IT. Okay, Nifty IT stocks. So I'll just create it. Okay, and this is where we'll add all the Nifty IT stocks. Where do we get that one? So go to NSE, go to NSE here, click on market data and equity and the segment, and here you will see Nifty 50. So here you need to go for the Nifty indices, Nifty IT. Click on Nifty IT, and these are how many shares? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. There are 10 shares which constitute for the Nifty IT, for the Nifty IT index. So what do we need to do? We need to add these into portfolio for analysis. So what do? We just simply go here. We have just now created this portfolio, and just type Nifty IT. So you will get Nifty IT here. Add this, and that Infosys, add TCS. You need to select equity NSE, and what else we have? Emphasis and Mind Tree, Mindtree. Sorry. So Mindtree, Emphasis, Emphasis, LTTS, then you have Wipro, then you have Coforge, TechM and HCL Tech. Okay, TechM and HCL. So these are the entire list of Nifty IT, including the what are the shares constitute Nifty IT, and then we'll see how we can analyze these shares. Okay. Just click on the chart here, then make it bigger. Then we need to add certain parameters to this. One is first thing is change the candles pattern of the chart to the candlestick pattern charts and put it as a daily basis, or better long-term investment should be well done on a weekly basis. Okay, then add two important this one indicators. So one is a moving average. For positional investments, always use moving averages. Okay, then comes the RSI. So put the RSI here. Okay, then change the RSI pattern parameters to 60 on upper side, 40 here, and then in the moving average, just change this. Okay, to green color. This should be 5 days moving average. Sorry, and this should be 25 days moving average. Okay, and change the color to a red. Okay, now we have a question. How do we pick a stock? Okay, so this is what I'm going to explain. Okay, so if you see this, so we have 60 and 40, right? So okay, it's on a weekly time frame. Now the stock is going below the. Let me stop this for the time being. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, when do you enter a stock? Always enter a stock at this juncture. This should be above 20. The candle should close above 25 days moving average, and this RSI should be just above 60. If you do this, you'll be able to take the benefit. Okay. Now the question comes, entry is fine here. Entry you can do it. Okay, volumes are also good, and entry is fine. But when to exit the stock? Okay, we cannot be exiting here, because if you see HCL, if you have entered here, it's 1010 rupees, you will be exiting here at 1116, which is very minimal profit. So that's why I asked you to add one more moving average called 5 days moving average. So basically on a weekly candle, okay, when you take an entry here, okay, at 1992, you can exit when the weekly candle closes below 5 days moving average. If it is closing here, see 1258 rupees. So where is the entry price? 983, sorry, 990 thousand rupees or 250 rupees you gain here. Okay, this is one of the simplest, and it doesn't require much of the complex analysis. It just simply goes by the trend analysis, and similar kind of an approach you can also see here. Okay, here is a big jump. Okay, but if you have entered here, okay, can you see, if you have entered here 1126 rupees, you would have exited here. And more importantly, here you need to understand one thing. How many days does it take to enter and exit? Okay, this is 1 week candle. So 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So basically 2.5 months is a stay of investment. Return is almost 20%, which is a very important lesson. It is very good returns considering the current market trend. And why do you choose investing in the Nifty 50 stocks? Because they are more stable. Okay, and that's why this is something is very useful analysis, and I hope it has added some value to your stock analysis, how to identify a stock for the purpose of long-term investment. Thank you.